Hi, in this video I'll show you how to fix Tesla Bluetooth audio or music not working. So what you can do is I have in here this article from Tesla themselves about the Bluetooth compatibility. So unless you specify the specific phone as a priority device or the phone is specified as priority device within the range, Model 3 always connects to the last phone that was used within its range. So you may need to make sure that your phone is within the range and it's actually a priority device. Make sure to authenticate it and use it as a key, and you can go and see it in order to allow it to use your phone's hands free. So on other phones, Bluetooth automatically turns off when it's low, so you need to make sure that it doesn't turn off. So in here, Model 3 can pair up to 20 Bluetooth devices at a time, but allow only two devices to connect, so you need to also take that into consideration. So to pair a phone, you need to actually sit inside the Model 3 and ensure the touchscreen is on, unlock your phone and enable Bluetooth, go over to the controls and Bluetooth, and then just find your devices in order to connect to that particular device that you want to use.